Here we go. My Skybell came in from Amazon. Let's open it up and see what we got. It's a pretty small little bag here, so it's I don't think it's very big. Okay, here we go. Well, it's a nice little package made by Honeywell. Looks pretty good. Everything I need is located inside the box with the instructions, so let's get it out and get started. Always make sure you turn off your fuse before you do anything. So I found out which fuse runs my doorbell outside, and I just click that off, boop, and that's it. And then you're free to work, and then once you're done, you've got everything set up correctly, just come back downstairs and turn it back on again. Okay, the beginning of our installation here, we're just going to take off the old doorbell. Mine is a very basic one. It's just on a wood trim piece here next to the brick. So I'm just going to pull this off. Once I get the doorbell off here, there's going to be two wires. Okay, every doorbell has the two wires. One is a ground and one is an electrical. Like one is power, constant power basically. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to undo the wires from my old doorbell. Once they are off, I'm going to grab the Skybell plastic base that came with the doorbell. There's a little notch here, a little centerpiece in the middle, little notched up part in the plastic where you can actually run your wires through. I'm using pliers on the wires. They can be kind of tough to bend with your fingers. They're not super thick, like not super thick copper, but enough that you can you can hurt your finger or stab your finger. So use pliers, straighten it out, get it around those two screws at the bottom of your plastic base. Skybell is great. It doesn't matter which one you put them on, the internals of the Skybell will know which one's ground and which one's some power there. So once you get those tightened and put on the base, now you're going to put that base onto your placement. Like I said, mine is a wood trim panel, so that's where mine's going. So I'm just screwing it directly into the wood base. If you're going into concrete, you might need to drill and put some plugs in there and then the screws, or whatever it may take. So I've got mine on. Make sure it's all straight and where you want it, because that's where your doorbell, your Sky doorbell, is going to fit onto. Now this is a trim screw, very, very small, goes into the base, and this is what hooks on to the Skybell itself. Really small screw, so be careful, guys. So once you get it on, you're going to screw it in, and that holds your Skybell onto the plate. The Skybell went on nice and easy, very easy to install. The hardest part is getting your phone to work with the app. Took me about 5 minutes to get that done. Has a speaker on the outside and the inside. Sounds pretty good. Pretty darn loud, but I'm pretty happy with this purchase. Very easy to install. The video is great. I'll put a shot up here of what it looks like from my house. The brick is a bit close, but I might move it out a bit more, but it looks really good. Here's a quick diagram just showing the layout of all the different sensors and buttons. That's it. Thanks for watching my video, guys.